Hey, this is Matt, the old Florida boy. Today, I'm gonna do something that I haven't done in a while. We're gonna do a Canteen Cup Tuesday, and we got a special guest with us today. We got Trailblazer Tim from the Creative Outdoorsman with us today. And it is really hot, but we're gonna go back here and we're gonna cook up some good stuff for Canteen Cup Tuesday. You're not gonna wanna miss it, so stick around.
Man, this is pretty remote back in here.
Oh yeah, it's a good spot.
I don't know anybody's going to find us back in here, and that's the whole point of it. Let's get unpacked and get some food cooked up. What do you say?
Let's do it. Good, right there.
So what are we working with today, Matt?
Well, we got kind of a surprise. We are gonna have like bacon spam beans with cheese and hot sauce.
Ooh, that's.
And here's the bacon loaf.
A little closer so we can see what they're.
Here's like the bacon loaf thing. I got this at the Dollar Tree. It's kind of like
luncheon meat.
Spam, 50-cent spam.
All right, let's see what I got here today, I guess. We'll set those over there. I've got some stuff that I've been getting ready overnight here. We're going to see how it all works out. What we are working with today is everybody's had bratwurst and all that stuff. Well, I've got a special kind of a sausage here that comes from the northern region of Germany, and it's called Knackwurst. And I've had this thing, these two babies right here, marinating in Guinness beer and garlic overnight. We're gonna put those up, and I also got some sauerkraut. Oh, look at that.
I got grilled luncheon loaf.
All right, so what are you gonna start with?
I'm gonna start with our bacon grill luncheon loaf. Ooh,
Did you see it?
Ooh.
What's it look like?
I don't know, but it don't smell too good.
Ooh, looks like a bologna loaf.
Smells like cat food.
Ooh, with that fancy feast or something.
Smells like fancy feast.
Holy cow! Good for you. Well, have at it, buddy.
Ooh,
jockeying that thing around. Look at that. That's like a gelatin log.
Oh my God! This is. I don't know how this is gonna be, man. We're just gonna.
What are you doing? You're using the Canteen Cup lid.
I'm using the Canteen Cup lid for a cutting board.
Ingenious. Look at that. And
well,
that's a 50-cent Dollar Tree luncheon meat.
I think these are 2 for $1.
Oh my goodness, that makes it the best.
Yuck.
It all tastes better when it's in some beans and it's hot and ready to go.
Yep.
All right, so I've got the knackwurst, and we're gonna go ahead and start our little fire. I'm gonna throw this on there just like that. Try to get this as level as possible so we don't have an accident. I think that might work just like that. Then we're going to get ourselves one of these. Look at this, is genuine, authentic. Look at these babies.
Wow.
We'll throw those on there, and we're just gonna throw a little bit of that Guinness on top of there so it has something to cook in.
Wow.
And we're gonna give it a little bit of color.
Wow.
Look at them, they're still tied together. That is authentic German knackwurst. It looks like Matt's got his bologna log in the Canteen Cup and on top of his little pocket rocket.
Oh, it's already sizzling, dude.
Oh yeah, that's the real deal. So you can actually see both of us cooking it up. He's got his authentic Dollar Tree luncheon meat, and I've got some Northern German authentic knackwurst. and I'm kind of getting it sizzled together with some Guinness beer.
And to do the beans, I gotta open it with the P38 or the P51 can opener or whatever it is.
You know, I still like to have someone tell me what the difference between those two are, because they're so similar.
Well, I know the difference. One takes 38 cranks and the other one takes 51 or 52
I did not
cranks.
know that.
That's
now
the
we know. So we almost had a mishap here. Matt was jockeying his way around his fire and just about lost his canteen cup full of goodness there. And now he's trying to get his beanies in order and make himself up a real meal. And let's take a little closer look at that.
Mmm.
Got the beans happening here. There's goodness happening inside of there. And there's those knockwurst. Yummy goodness.
Yep.
Man, those knockwurst. Hoo hoo hoo. They're still tied together.
Wow, look at that.
Jockey these around and get a little more color on them. Woohoo! On the little miniature cast iron pan.
I got Old Faithful with me today.
Well, she's got some war memories on that.
Oh,
don't
yeah.
Oh, there goes the beans.
Oh, man.
On top of the luncheon loaf. Man, that looks good.
You know, it actually looks pretty good.
Did you say that was bacon flavored luncheon meat?
Bacon flavored.
Wow, you can't beat that.
If you're gonna have Spam, at least have it in bacon Spam.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, look at that, man.
Yummy. All right, well, let's check in on the food.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
What are you calling this meal?
I'm calling this Spam beanie weenies with cheese and hot sauce.
Ooh, look at that.
Yeah, we're starting to
Let's have a look at the knockwurst that's sitting here, and it's taking a bath in the Guinness beer.
Wow,
and sauerkraut. Ooh, it's all fogged up, so we ain't gonna be able to see that.
Wow.
There we go. Oh, look at that. Very, very, very tasty. And you're gonna see me tear that stuff up. It's time to plate it up.
My plate's the Canteen Cup.
Got a couple nice buns here. I'm gonna open them babies up just like that. I'll show you how it's done out here in the woods on a Canteen Cup. We even used some cast iron to cook up them babies. I got a special Bavarian original German mustard right here. See that? It's an authentic German meal. A lot of times you see this kind of stuff like the Oktoberfest.
Nothing would ever be truly complete without cheese. So
let's go ahead and get some of this mustard on here.
On goes the Sargento. You know, I'm just gonna put it all on.
Let's get this nice Bavarian mustard on here.
Wow, look at that, dude.
Holy cow, that's a meal.
Wow, this weighs like 2 pounds. Now, the secret ingredient.
Ooh, take and show that close. Hey, Carolina Chris, you seen this stuff? This is the new Texas Pete
Hotter.
hot sauce.
It's hotter. It even says it's hotter.
And I can't tell you where I got that from because you'd want me to go get you some. I might just have an extra bottle. I'll shoot to you if you leave me a comment down below.
Hold on. Well, I got to put just a drop on.
Just a drop. That thing is swimming. And I hope it's good because it's supposed to be hotter.
Just a drop.
All right, let's see what you got there, Matt.
Ooh, man. Oh,
right out of a Canteen Cup.
Wow.
Well, what about that hot sauce?
Oh, it's awesome.
Does it taste a little hotter than the original?
It is hotter than the original.
Ooh.
Oh, but it's awesome, dude. It's gonna be great on those.
All right, well, you forgot. I thought, didn't we have some cracked pepper around here?
Right here.
Oh, okay. Did you want to put some of that on here?
I already did.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll get right back to you, and I'll show you what I'm making up. All right. Everything's got to have a little bit of pepper to it, you know.
Everything.
And you got 2 hot dog buns right here. I put my Bavarian mustard on there. Let's open this baby up and get our little swimmers out here. Look at them. Ooh. Let's get one of those knockwurst out of here.
Wow.
There's one. Let's go for the second one.
Don't forget the kraut.
There we go. And then we're going to generously top this with our Guinness soaked and boiled, braised, whatever you want to call it, sauerkraut.
Generously.
Just like that. Oh, you wish you were here right now.
You do wish you were here.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. A little bit more. Oh, now I got to try some of that hot sauce.
It is right there.
Ooh, Texas Pete, hotter.
And it even says hotter.
Just a little tiny drop.
Kick some of that on there, man.
Let's see what we got here. Boy, that almost looks like Louisiana
Oh yeah.
pepper sauce right there. Oh my goodness.
And we got the weenie spam bacon thing waiting. Let's eat, dude.
Taste test. Let's see what we got. It sure darn smells good, and there's plenty of it.
Oh man.
I'm gonna bring up a little close-up shot of these knockwurst with sauerkraut, and all braised with some Guinness beer and some of this new hotter Texas Pete sauce. And Matt's gonna show you his goodness.
We got some wonderful baked beans with the bacon luncheon loaf from Dollar Tree, and some of the Texas hotter sauce.
Love it.
And Cheesehead Chris would be happy. Look at those cheese strings.
Oh my goodness.
Man.
Lots and lots of cheese up there in that container.
Look at those cheese strings. Oh man.
Yeah, look, battle scars on that canteen.
Oh,
Wow.
oh, this baby's it's got a few scars.
Man, this is the meal that just keeps on giving.
Oh, you're telling me.
So freaking good. We have Bavarian mustard and the hot sauce and the kraut.
And bacon, beans, and weenies. Or whatever it is.
Here's looking at you, kid.
Who needs a stinking table?
Man, that Guinness in there, holy cow. It takes that food to a whole nother level. Woo! Not to mention that
The hotter.
hotter Texas Pete.
It kind of grows on you after a second, right?
Wow, that is definitely hotter. Holy crap! Matt's gonna give this knockwurst a try.
Wow, man, that's awesome.
Woo. Man, that was one whopper of a meal. What do you say, Matt?
It's awesome. There's no better way than to end it, but with a good cigar.
That's right. And I got a special prize here that I got as well. I don't know if you guys had. When's the last time you guys drank a birch beer?
I don't even know what birch beer is.
I'm pretty sure it's kind of like a root beer. Let's go ahead and give it a shot and see what it tastes like, huh? Ooh, let me see your cup.
My green cup, because I'm a member of the Green Cup Society.
Ooh, look at the color of that. See that? There, oh,
Dude, it's red.
show them that color.
Oh, it's red. Look at that. Can you see that?
Almost like a sarsaparilla or something.
Wow. Well, let's see how it is.
Let's give it a go. Yummy.
It almost tastes like that.
It is. It's like a real tasty root beer, like a sarsaparilla almost.
Yeah, it's kind of root beery.
Hank's Genuine Gourmet Birch Beer.
Is it a beer?
It's not beer, it's root beer. And it's tasty. I gotta have another taste of that. That's really yummy. That is some yummy stuff. Now, getting back to this Texas Pete hotter sauce. Yes, hotter sauce. That, as well as that birch beer. My wife and I have privileges to get on any military base in the country because my wife is a military veteran. And that's where I found them, is at the commissary, is at Texas Pete. And I've got another kind that they're out that I haven't seen, and I'll show you that in an upcoming video. And it's got a little bit different of a twist to it. I remember Carolina Chris sent me some that I had never seen. It was garlic flavored, and I still have yet to open that up and give that a shot. But besides that and the birch beer, they've got all kinds of goodies. I found that knockwurst, the knockwurst. In German, they call it kind of Knackwurst. knackwurst, and that's don't laugh. It's knack is German for crack, but not like the crack you smoke. I don't know. It's just called crack sausage, but it's knackwurst if it's in Germany. But over here we call it knackwurst.
Could be crack.
It didn't taste like crack. Maybe it's called crack sausage because it's addictive like crack.
I don't know. This is something that I haven't done for a while. I haven't done a Canteen Cup Tuesday in a while, and it was a lot of fun coming out with our old buddy Trailblazer Tim from the Creative Outdoorsman.
Man, I'll tell you what, you guys need to come out and get outside, because even if it's hot, you can still find ways to have a great time, cook up a gourmet meal, and just get away from everything, the chores of life and everything, because back to work for the man tomorrow.
Remember, we do have our joint channel called Swamp Rat Survivalists. We're going to leave a link to it right in the comments below, and we're going to come out with a new video on that tonight, and you're not going to want to miss that.
We'll see you there.
Okay, that's something that I haven't done for a long time, a Canteen Cup Tuesday. And we got to do it with our friend Trailblazer Tim from the Creative Outdoorsman, kind of a dual canteen cup. Not a challenge, just a dual canteen cup. And it turned out great. I hope you like the selections that we made today. And that new Texas Pete hotter sauce only made it hotter outside. And man, it was hot today. So, coming to you on another Canteen Cup Tuesday, this is Matt the Old Florida Boy saying, I'll see you on the trail.